Spring is at our fingertips, and the natural world around us is waking up once again. Hi there, I'm Mikey. I design and create practical things for my home that provide possibilities, pride, conversation, sustenance, rest, personality, preservation, collaboration, shelter. I live alongside about 3 million other people, all with places to go, things to see, people to be. It's easy to notice the residue we leave behind because of our habits, our practices, our methods, our way of being. Too many things are provided to us by far-off places using short-sighted formulas that can destroy our planet. In defiance of it all, I choose to operate differently as best I can. I use ethically sourced materials from local independent businesses. I'm learning all the time, and there's other people like me out there doing what they can to take care of our pollinators, our natural world, while providing you with new possibilities by creating something that's built to last.